Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will read We Need to Have Fun, Lesson 4. Mithali wakes up at 5 o'clock every morning. No, she doesn't go to school that early. Mithali loves playing football and goes for morning practice every day. She says that football helps her relax and enjoy her day even more. In fact, she spends all her free time on the football field. The time that you spend in doing something that you like, for example, playing games, reading books, watching televisions, talking to your friends, is your leisure time. The activities that you do in your leisure time are known as recreations. It is very important to have some leisure time during the day. Undertaking leisure activities helps to refresh our bodies and minds. Fun in school. In school, we have a break between our classes to eat, play, and talk to our friends. We also have a games period where we can play games like cricket, volleyball, and basketball, or participate in running, swimming, or gymnastics. We can also take part in activities like music, dance, drama, and art and craft in school. These recreational activities help us to develop different skills while having a lot of fun. Fun at home. At home, we spend our leisure time reading books, watching TV, or playing games with other children in the neighborhood. On certain days, we stay inside and play games like chess, ludo, and snake and ladders. The games that we play inside our home or building are called indoor games. On the other hand, the games that we only play out in the open are called outdoor games. Football, hockey, and cricket are examples of outdoor games. What is your favorite indoor game? Yesterday and today. Have you noticed that different people in our family like doing different things? For instance, Sunil's parents like watching movies while his grandparents enjoy reading books and listening to music. Sometimes people from different generations enjoy different activities. Earlier, people did not have TVs and video games, so they preferred to read or play a sport. Also, earlier girls were not encouraged to play sports as much as boys. Therefore, women of our grandparents' generation would often spend their leisure time sewing, painting, or singing. Talk to your grandparents, aunts, and uncles. Make a list of the leisure activities they enjoyed as children. Write these under the heading Recreation in the Past. Now, under the heading Recreation Today, write the activities you enjoy. Is there any changes in the kind of games that people used to play as compared to the games you like playing? Play or work. Can you imagine what it would be like if you could do the things you enjoy all day long. Suman loves to draw and paint. When she grows up, she wants to become an artist. That way, she can spend her whole day doing what she loves. For example, for many of us, playing games is our favorite recreational activity. There are some people who take a game very seriously, spend a lot of time on it, and achieve a high standard. They are selected to take part in tournaments. These people are called sports persons. A sports person may be a cricketer, boxer, footballer, or sprinter. Those who play sports for a living are called professional sports person. Playing that sport become their work. Understood? This is about we need to have fun. Tomorrow we will see the book back exercise of this lesson. Thank you.